something good.
And his opponents, first, from Queens, New York, weighing in at 190 pounds.
Hey, where's the horse? What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you? The competition level has never been higher, but this guy's ready to prove he can hang.
And here he comes.
It's been so long, long hard days. They don't say God's changed my ways, changed my ways.
And representing the Outlaw Club, from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 205 pounds.
The WWE Universe is on their feet for this superstar.
They are ready for unapologetic high-intensity action.
I would be shocked if we saw apologetic in-ring action of any sort, Byron.
Blacksmith.
This match has everyone backstage buzzing. He is an exciting competitor to watch.
Taking out the knee. That was on target. Hard to remain on your feet after that.
Overhand strike. Oh, look at this awesome Sicilian barrage.
Like a buffet of punches.
Oh, and a stomp.
What now?
I got right to the gut. Saw that one coming. Took advantage. Pulls the ripcord. Knee strike to the face. Shoulder to the midsection. Up and over. Oh! Power bomb.
That's it.
A power bomb's not meant to be pretty, but oh man, does it get the job done.
Yeah, pretty sure they don't want to be taking any more of those.
Coming back in the ring. Gets him with the counter.
I'd have to think that a no disqualification match favors the most heartless competitor in the ring.
Well, that's mostly true, but even the most rule-abiding superstars have risen to the occasion of a no disqualification match. When there are no rules, there's no wrong and right.
Oh, God, that hurt. Into the corner now. Oh, saw it coming. Oh, God. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right to the face.
My God.
Great wherewithal on the counter. Face first off the...
The sound of this.
Face first off the knee.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Great counter.
Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
And this one might be headed ringside. Sister Abigail. Good night.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
He switches it back around.
On the move. Uh-oh.
Quick thinking pays off.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
Down on the skull. Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them.
And he's able to reverse.
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
Suicide dive!
The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
He's wasting too much time. Back in the ring now.
Stopped them in their tracks with a kick to the gut.
Hoisted up.
Ooh, gut first into the knee. Saw it coming and got out of there.
And another counter. Great job refocusing to reverse.
Double underhook up and...
Wing clipper.
Is this what he needs for the win? And his shoulder is lifted before one.
What a jaw-dropping show of strength this late into the match.
This was the moment to capitalize on. That should have been the end. Attacking the knee. You have to think these competitors expected this to be a difficult challenge.
Even so, at this stage, things just get more and more dangerous. Fatigue starts setting in, and you don't know exactly have all your wits about you. It could quickly lead to error. Oof.
Ah, look at this.
Effectively targeting the arm. Thinking about a surfboard submission, no!
Oh my God, surfboard leg breaker.
And now he's dictating the pace.
He moved, but can he capitalize?
Implanted by the DDT.
He's struggling a bit here.
This should come as no surprise. In a havoc-filled triple threat, you're going to take some big hits.
He returns to the ring.
Double knees to the back of the neck.
And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
Oh man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Oh, vicious headbutt.
Hold your breath.
Missed timing with that springboard.
Oh man. And now he rolls out looking for a timeout.
You don't get any timeouts in a fight. That's just running away. Massive double foot stomp.
Countered it just in time. And he wants nothing to do with any of that.
Quick return to the ring.
Big kick. And he sends him into the corner. Fighting back with a counter.
Big hip toss into the cartwheel. And a knee strike. What a combination. Oh, no, it's roll up.
Look at this. Curious decision there, Michael.
Able to elude it.
Oh, read him there.
Double underhook. Up and wing whipper.
I think that'll do it.
Cover. Quick shoulder up.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
It is unreal that this match is still going on after a maneuver that would end most matches.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
The WWE Universe has come alive in this one.
They are up and they are full of a lot of energy in the room.
He feels the pressure mounting as he delivers there.
Yeah, he is giving everything he has left.
Muscled all the way up.
Driven down face first.
Can he take advantage of this?
Oh, and he breaks up the pin. Step up Enziguri.
Right in the ear.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
Legs caught.
Piercing strike. Treating the torso to yet another attack.
Both wrists captured, and that was nasty.
Oh, and a knee to the face. Listen to this place. Oh, what a counter. Oh, man, look at this. It's like he's got 8 arms and feet. Striking combination.
Lethal.
Oh, he retaliates. Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush.
The steel chair. Never as innocent as it looks.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
Oh, no. Now that he has the kendo stick, I definitely do not want to be in his path of destruction. No way.
Somersault plunge. Uh-oh.
A slingshot somersault plancha.
Pinpoint precision. Right on target.
And he tosses it back in now. Oh, look at this impact.
Kick to the stomach puts an end to that. Oh, unbelievable.
Night-night. The cover. No, Martin.
From the top, double stomp.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. Oh, my God. Boom!
He skirts around it.
He'll head to the ring. Answering back. Bang, what a hook.
We've already seen a few shots delivered up in that region.
Out of the way in time. Oh, turned inside out.
You can sense it. This crowd is on pins and needles.
The WWE Universe is ready to erupt. Are we close to the beginning of the end?
Paying it back with their own counter.
Regain control with the takedown.
One face lock applied. Hooks the leg.
Down with the fisherman driver. All he has to do is capitalize.